The trauma of attack can initiate another hypnotic state. These pigeons are in a state of trance, a bizarre condition that affects many different animals. Alligators are easily mesmerized too, a fact exploited by Florida showmen. Avoid the teeth, and it's easy to provoke this weird catatonic state. The alligator reacts as if it had been grabbed by another predator. A chicken can be hypnotized too, by turning it over and focusing its attention. These strange states probably originated as a defense. Predators react to movement. If their quarry plays dead, the killer instinct is suppressed. It's this inborn defense that's triggered when people hypnotize animals. In trance, breathing and heart rates drop. They can stay like this for hours. When they come to, it's as though a hypnotist has clicked his fingers. They even wake together. And they don't remember a thing.